Hi, my name is Saharsh. We are. I'm from team 1. My class ID is 17. Coming today, our ICP is deep learning, deep learning lesson 3, and here we have to find the mistakes in the code which was given in the which we have which were given in the source code. The first I have imported the source code, and I have imported all the required imports at the starting, and I read the masters.csv and kept it in the df variable, and this and I have print the variable. I have print the data in the console, and used. And first thing I have done is I have removed or subtracted the unsub layer, unsub column, and I kept review column as my x-axis, and for the y-axis I added label values. After that I have we got a total of 5 columns, in which we have selected 2 out of them and removed the unsub. Then we started tokenizing the data. We have there are total 2000 words, and we started tokenizing the data into the into the words. And we have pre-processed the existing data and started transforming the data. Let me run before this, since it takes us a lot of time. I would like to start the program, and then we have trained the x, y, and x test and y test using the transform function, using the data which I got after transforming the y. Later, I have used a sequential model to and here we have you in the question, in the input dimension was not was given as 5000, and it should be 2000, since we took the total number of words as a 2000, and that is the one mistake. And the second mistake is the dense layers for in the output layer. The first dense layers we have used 300 neurons. In the second dense layer we have to use only 2, because we have removed the third one called unsub. Only 2 or x and y, which is a review and labels are using. I have added a 2, and the activation have used the sigmod rather than softmax, um, which gives the more accuracy. These are the 3 mistakes, which 3 mistakes makes the code not to run perfectly. And after that I have compiled and evaluated the test loss, and print the accuracy. And here is the accuracy, which is a 0.87353, which is higher when compared to the softmax activation layer, or a softmax activation, or a 10H activation. Coming to the second code, here we have to add the embedding layer to the existing code. The code is similar to the before, and we are going to import the code, and we are going to remove the drop the unnecessary layer, that is unsub, and we have taken x layer, x-axis, and x and y values for as a review column and a label column. And then we started pre-processing the data, tokenizing with a huge count of 2000 words. And after tokenizing, I have used the padding data. Padding is mainly used to resize the data, because usually the size of the data will be different for the different words. Each word has a different number of characters, and each character will give the 0 1 quotes. Since the word length will be different for the different words, then we will have different token token binary digits. So we usually normalize them by adding padding digits, that is zeros, if it is less than the required value, or if it is if it satisfies the padding size, we will leave that node normally. This is the major thing which padding shows. And after that, after equalizing all the words in the given data, and we started evaluating the model by evaluating through model. We took the sequential model here, and added the embedding layer and flatten. And the dense layer is here I have added a dense layer with a 300 neurons and activation layer ReLU. In After that we are going to calculate the accuracy for this particular code. Since it takes a lot of time, I would like to show the result directly. This is the result, which is 0.8790 400. This is the accuracy was a little less when compared to the before code. That's the third one is taking the news groups, 20 news groups, and started the evaluation. In this, we have took the 20 news groups and started to train this data set. And he, and in if you take 20 data, 20 news groups, what will be the and started evaluating the model, what will be the change in the accuracy. Once is the question. I have for that reason I have took for that I have took all these two groups and added the subset with fetching the 200 group 200 news groups, and then satisfy the data df data and the sentences, and I took the df target in the y-axis and started pre-processing the label and started pre-processing in the label encoder y and started transforming the y and stored into the y, and then we are going to tokenize the data using 200 words with the 200 words. After token let me run the code so that it will complete firstly, and x train and y train we have trained, we will get the train and test values from the tokenized data. After that we are going to add the padding in the similar to the before code, and then we have added embedding layer with the tense layer. After that we add tense layer, and for this particular data we are going to calculate test accuracy. Currently the code is running. Once we get the output, finally we got the output, that is 0.59. This is the accuracy, this is the accuracy changes for this program. Yeah, thank you.